Ever dreamt of running your own business? Maybe you're a seasoned entrepreneur with a brick-and-mortar store, or perhaps you're a budding crafter ready to take your creations to the market. Point-of-sale systems have become the backbone of modern commerce, but with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. If you've landed on the Clover Mini as your weapon of choice, congratulations! It's a fantastic, compact system perfect for a variety of businesses. But before you dive into the exciting world of accepting payments and managing inventory, there's one crucial first step: powering it on. Now, you might think powering on a device is a no-brainer, but trust me, there's nothing worse than staring at a seemingly lifeless piece of tech, especially when you're eager to get started. So, fear not, fellow entrepreneur. This quick guide will have your Clover Mini up and running in no time. First, let's get acquainted with the hardware. The Clover Mini itself is a sleek, little device, but it comes with a couple of companion pieces. There's the power adapter, a small black box that converts your wall outlet's power into something the Clover Mini can understand. Then there's the hub, a rectangular base that serves as a connection point for the power adapter and any additional accessories you might use, like a cash drawer or receipt printer. Alright, with the introductions out of the way, let's get to the powering on part. Here's what you need to do. Plug in the power. Take the power adapter and connect the smaller end to the power brick itself. This is the black box I mentioned earlier. Then, find the port on the hub labeled charger and plug the other end of the power adapter cable into that slot. Connect to the hub, optional. While the Clover Mini can function on its own, it often works in conjunction with other peripherals. If you're using a cash drawer, receipt printer, or scanner, this is the time to connect them. The hub has several USB ports specifically designed for these accessories. Just find the corresponding cable for your device and plug it into an available USB port on the hub. Power up. Now for the grand finale. Find the power cable coming out of the power brick. This will most likely have a standard 2 or 3-prong plug on the end. Simply insert this plug into a wall outlet, and voila, your Clover Mini should spring to life. There you have it. In just 3 simple steps, you've successfully powered on your Clover Mini. The screen will likely display the Clover logo as it boots up, and from there, you can follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Now, depending on the generation of your Clover Mini, there might be a slight variation in the process. For example, some Clover Mini models might have a dedicated power button located on the back of the device. If that's the case with yours, simply locate the button and give it a short press. If, however, your Clover Mini doesn't seem to be powering on even after following these steps, don't panic. There are a couple of things you can try. First, double-check all your connections to make sure everything is plugged in securely. You might also want to try using a different power outlet or a different power cable altogether. If none of that seems to work, it's always best to reach out to Clover Support for further assistance. They have a fantastic support team who can help diagnose the problem and get your Clover Mini up and running in no time. So there you have it. With a little know-how, you've successfully powered on your Clover Mini and are well on your way to business domination. Remember, the Clover Mini is a powerful tool, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. In future videos, we'll be diving deeper into exploring all the functionalities the Clover Mini has to offer, from processing payments and managing inventory to customizing receipts and installing apps. Stay tuned, and until next time, happy selling.